Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, bottom frame, fan, system board, speakers, display panel assembly, display panel, left hinge cover, and left display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the aux wireless LAN and wireless WAN transceivers to the display enclosure. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive that secure it to the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel cable.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.